Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2006 Harley Davidson Heritage Softail Classic, and this is in burgundy red sunglow. And this one has a front fairing, the Street Glide front fairing it looks like. It's all on top of some really beautiful chrome detailing, and we've got the Screamin' Eagle exhaust as well. Passenger backrest with a little luggage rack, and we also have the heel toe shifter on here. This really cool radio that has Sirius XM on there, and miles are low. We are at 10,884. Really good for a 2006, really well taken care of too. Come check it out, come take it for a ride. We are open 6 days a week for test rides.